Simon here from Perfect Pools. We're busy with a brand new renovation. This is our half Olympic size swimming pool. But the question we get the most asked in our inboxes and our Facebook pages and emails and WhatsApps is, what other services do you do? Because we post this the most. So we've got 4 other divisions. Number 1 is pool maintenance. So we also offer weekly pool maintenance. So we come out, we clean your pool, we vacuum, we brush, we check the water balance, we add chemicals every single week. You don't have to worry. You sit back, relax, and enjoy your swimming pool. Secondly, if you just want a quick service or a quick repair on a pool pump, or you need a new pool pump or a filter, we can help you with that. From chlorinators, everything else, we can help you with that. Third thing is we also do the new pool installation. So if you are looking for a swimming pool, we can actually help you with installing a new pool. That includes your paving, your pump, filter, chlorinator, whatever you need with a new pool, we can help you with that. Then we also have just introduced leak detection as well. So we've got brand new equipment. We do a pressure test first, then secondly a gas injection where we can actually narrow it down to within about 1 meter from where the leak should be or could be. And then lastly we do a sound check and we narrow that down to about 30 centimeters to where the leak is. So those are the things that we offer. But if you're not sure, just give us a call. Click the link below. We can help you with most of the things that relates to swimming pools. Until next time, and then remember, follow the journey on this swimming pool that we're busy with now. It should be on our Facebook page and our YouTube channel shortly. Until next time, see you. Bye.